So when I get a T-Rex,
Sure.
what other machines am I gonna have to put in my shop?
This is another thing that is cool about the hybrid cycle. We just cut down basically all the maintenance that people have on having so many different types of machines. You know, you got robot saw jets, you got gantry style saw jets, right? And then you have also routers, and then you have mini routers, and then you have a miter machine, and then you have a backsplash machine, and then you have, so now you have shops that they're sitting here trying to run maintenance on 5, 6 different types of machines. Well, guess what? That disappears with the hybrid cycle. How? Well, if you get that T-Rex, really all you need is a backsplash machine, because miters are cut upside down to perfection, the fastest way, most reliable way, the cleanest way, best measurements on our hybrid system, upside down miters. Okay. So I don't need the miter machine.
Right.
I solved the problem that we discussed earlier of the water jet by using finger bits, by using cut and move, and also by using tight nesting and deep plunging, because I'm on top of vacuum pods, so my overcuts are only 1.25 inches if I want to with a 16-inch blade.
Right.
So because of all those reasons, what your life looks like going forward is you can keep a simple saw to rip simple stuff so you don't disturb your main production on the T-Rexes. True. But basically you end up with a bridge saw, T-Rexes as your CNC, and miter splash. Now the other thing that's kind of like a unnoticeable, unless you get into it, is from a management standpoint, as you scale, you only have one job description for a CNC in your whole company.
That's okay.
You don't have to train guys on saws. You don't have to train guys on saw jets. You don't have to train guys on routers, and then have 3 different training methodologies. And then if you change brands, then you got new software. It's easy. It's easy to scale. It's easy to be redundant, to manage. You know,
the Poseidon sounds like you could do that.
So yeah, so that's what your life looks like. Very simple. T-Rexes, backsplash machine, maybe a saw.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for asking.
Super efficient.
Yes, sir.